I have been talking about profit so far in the entire chapter. Now we have understood the importance of profit in the business, but now let's understand what is the role profit plays in business. Okay, why it has been given so much of importance in business. Okay, so let's see what is the role of profit in business. See, first thing, what is profit? As I explained you in earlier slides, it is the excess of revenue over cost. So when your sales exceed the cost you have incurred to produce the goods or services, you are earning a profit. Let's take an example. To make a pen, I require 10 rupees. Okay, I go in the market and I sell it for 15 rupees. So then 5 rupees becomes my profit. That is the excess of revenue over the cost. Okay, now the next is, when you're earning a profit, what does it indicates? It indicates that you're efficient enough. You're utilizing, remember in earlier slides we said about the physical and financial resources. So you're utilizing those resources in a proper manner and you're efficiently using them for your own business. This also entails that you are successful in your business. For example, if Apple is earning profits today because of the sale of iPhone, it is because it has successfully launched a product which has wide acceptance in entire world. Next, it is a source of finance. See, when I earned 5 rupees after selling my pen, what did I do? I can use it as a source of finance and invest the entire 5 rupees back into the business. So it is up to me what I need to do. Sometimes which we will learn in the next course, would be about we can give that back to the investors, or we can, after earning the profit, distribute among the various investors of the company. Otherwise, we can use the same profits and use it as a source of finance, invest back in the business for expanding and growth of the business. So let's say if I want to put up one more factory to cater to the demand of my pens, then I can use this 5 rupees profit to set up a factory. Okay, so it is a source of finance. Now it helps you to honor liabilities in time. See, when I said I'm producing a pen for 10 rupees, I'm incurring a cost, so obviously I'm purchasing the raw material from various suppliers. These are my creditors because business runs on this cycle that either you pay them in cash or you take a credit. That is, what you do is you go to the creditors, you tell them that I will pay you in 60 days or 30 days time period. Okay, so business runs on this credit facility. Now these are the liabilities which you need to pay on time. Apart from that, you need to pay the salaries and wages to your employees. Then you need to pay the rent of the office or the factory which you have. So these are various liabilities which a business incur, and when you're earning profits, you're able to satisfy these liabilities in time, which is necessary for the success of a business. The next role of profit in business, the next pointer, is approval utility of the business. See, business is in existence and it is able to produce goods or services only when it is using resources which we discussed earlier, that is the physical and the financial resources. So to justify that the resources are used in a proper manner, it is necessary that you earn a profit. When you start earning losses, or when you start incurring losses, the existence is questioned and people start questioning that the resources are not utilized properly and hence the business should be shut down. So profit is a way in which you can justify the utility of resources. Now in the next video we are going to understand about business risk.